In this video, I'll be walking through IQBoxy's bank reconciliation feature. Once you've logged into the online hub, you want to open the My Toolbox and then go to Banking. The first thing to do on this page is to link your bank account using this button here. So if you can't find your bank on this first screen, you will just start typing in here, find the appropriate one, and then log in and follow the on-screen prompts. I've already run through this process, so I'm going to skip it at this point. Now once you've linked your bank account, your screen should look something like this. Now one thing to note here is while some transactions may be available immediately, it may take up to about 24 hours for everything to trickle through and be available to IQBoxy. When you're ready, click on Transactions, and you will get a list of your recent transactions, in this case the last 3 months. So in this list you will see the transactions on the left hand side as taken from your bank account, and on the right hand side you will see the documents that IQBoxy automatically found as matching. So let's say we want to reconcile this first transaction, this MyProtein one. And this is a supplement purchase. The document looks correct. All we have to do is hit match, and the transaction has now been reconciled. Now let's say IQBoxy hasn't found the document automatically. We'll just hit this search button, and we're going to be looking for a Safeway receipt at $34.78. Looks like this is the one. We hit select. It's populated in here now. And as before, we just click match, and that transaction has been reconciled. So to see those reconciled transactions, all you have to do is change this reconciled, make sure your date filters are set correctly, hit refresh, and you will see here's that MyProtein one that I reconciled just before, and also this Safeway one. I'm just going to jump back to the unreconciled list. Now in some cases you may not be interested in a transaction at all in terms of reconciliation. For example, this ATM withdrawal for $120. Now this is just a cash withdrawal, there's no receipt per se, so we'll just exclude that one. And so that one will no longer show up in this listing. Now let's say this Amazon one for $38.14. If we don't have a receipt for that one, we could just create one. So we'll just click add, and it will ask us for category, tags, and notes. So let's say this one may have been groceries. I'm not interested in tagging it right now. Notes was some groceries. And hit submit. And here we go. So that has now been reconciled as well. And we can see that in this list. Hopefully if that's gone through. And that'll be this transaction here. So now you will see we have a bank transaction, a document generated for this transaction for us. We just got some details. And this looks like just any other document. Now if we want to unmatch or unreconcile a transaction, we'll just hit the unmatch button here. Go back to unreconciled, and here it is. And that's it.